Today, I'll show you how to set up timecode on your Deity DLTX and all of the syncing modes it offers. The DLTX features the same timecode abilities as all of our devices and follows our easy workflow. On your DLTX, press the menu button and scroll down to TC Sync. Here, you can control all of your key timecode settings: mode, frame rate, and channel. Mode dictates how and when your timecode is activated. Here, you can see there are 4 modes. Free, which stands for free run. In this mode, the unit's timecode is always running. Auto, which stands for auto jam. In this mode, the unit can receive timecode from another source via the 3-pin LEMO, or wirelessly from a Deity timecode generator. Once, which means to jam once. In this mode, the unit is ready to receive timecode from another source, but will automatically lock itself off from receiving it again until the DLTX has been power cycled. To get the DLTX in sync with your set, you will first need to pick your master unit. In this case, I'm using a Deity TC1 set to 24 FPS on channel A. Knowing what letter channel you're on is essential, so multiple teams in the same area can sync timecode independently. On my DLTX, I mirror my master unit's frame rate, confirm that the channel is correct, and set the mode to auto. When I initiate sync from my TC1, the DLTX automatically receives the handshake and gets up to speed. Alternatively, if both devices are connected to the Sidus Audio app, you'll see a flashing sync button. Press it, and this will initiate a sync for all of your devices. With that, you're in sync and ready to get rolling. Happy shooting.